Hello parents, I'm back again with yet another video in the series How to Inculcate a Healthy Lifestyle in Children. And today I've chosen to talk about a very important aspect of healthy eating, and that is acquiring a taste and a liking for all foods healthy and nice and beneficial. Just like an infant is not born with an acquired taste of chips, pancakes, fried foods, burgers, pizzas, namkeens, and the likes, the same way an infant is not born with an acquired taste for fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, milk and milk products, and all healthy foodstuffs that can benefit us immensely. Therefore, it's up to us, parents, to introduce children to healthy foods, to newer fruits and vegetables, and encourage them to develop a taste and a liking for them. The best stage to do that is when we start weaning. That is the best time to introduce infants to new flavors. Even if you haven't done it when they were infants, the bus hasn't passed away yet. Try to introduce these new flavors in your kids' diets through products they love to eat. Make things fresh at home, and maybe the child refuses or doesn't like that new fruit or vegetable the first time. Don't give up. Keep trying new flavors, keep trying new methods, and as parents we are very innovative to hide in fruits and vegetables in other preparations and provide to the children. But I would encourage you to introduce new flavors in their entirety to the children and let them appreciate the power of natural goodness. I would take this opportunity to advise you to refrain from adding extra salt and extra sugar to the preparations. And I have done it personally, and it has done wonders. I did not introduce sugar and salt added extra to any of the preparations that I made for my child. And till date, she has acquired the natural taste of broccoli, of beans, of carrots, of peas, of mangoes, of grapes, of bananas, of apples, and the numerous fresh fruits and vegetables available all year round. I try to go seasonal, and so should you. Bring in all the seasonal fruits and vegetables that you can. Inculcate in the child a love for Indian traditional food as well, like pulses, dals, various kinds of sabjis, roti, rice, and also introduce them to international flavors and cuisines so that they can better appreciate the global cuisines. Because these days it's all about globalization, and we must do everything to expose our children to the many wonders the world has to offer. I hope these pointers would help you in encouraging and inculcating the taste and the love of real fresh foods in our children, and that way we can wean them off the junk and fast food trend and wean them or get them hooked on to what is real, what is fresh, and what Mother Nature has provided us. So all the very best. Write to me with your views and suggestions and your questions, and I would be happy to answer them for you. All the best.